Hey guys, welcome back to the other interesting video. So today we are going to see a 3D marble design. I mean, can be used for interior especially. This is a kind of a geometry marble design, which we are going to use helican or hexagonal patterns for the shape. Without wasting much time, let's start with the new part, and we'll start creating the simple features. So today, moreover, we will be interacting with the loft feature to create all these things. Sketch, loft, and also sometimes we will be using a 3D sketch to create certain geometry. That's only three simple features which we are going to create here in the Solidworks. So let's start with as usual, in the previous video we will be starting with the top line. Similarly we will be work with that, and yep. So we'll go with the helican. I don't know why this we can do show. Okay, sorry. Yeah, we will write and next. Okay. So we'll make 8 shapes. That makes little sense. And yeah, we will be creating such a way. Yes, so we'll make a straight profile. And we'll go with the as usual, metric. That diameter around 100. So yep, 100 we will start. Probably the lower size will make 75. Yes, and the other size we will try to make. Yep. The bottom profile is ready now. From here the top line we will offset some dimensions. I'm around 25, should be fine. Yeah, again from there I will extend some distance around 150 mm. Yeah, 150 mm should be fine. I mean and minus 25. Yes, so this could be 25. Yeah, so overall we have 50 here now. In the exactly, so we are not going to do any much changes. So yes, so we are going to extend little offset from this profile, and yeah, as I said, like 100 should be fine. Yeah, probably 90 makes little more reasonable size when it comes, like, yeah. We will convert the same up from the top. Yes, so this is a basic profile. This is how we are going to follow for other four sizes. Like this could be our small variant. So let's start with the loft. So here we are going to create two lofts. Yes, so this could be our straight profile. So yeah, so if I create a other loft, so it may have twist and bends. So I would like to have, yes, so perfect. So this makes sense for me. Yeah, so now our smaller size is ready. So now we'll start with a medium size. So it looks again here, if you see, it will be little a bigger size, but have something like little complicated, some geometry loft surface we will include here. So again we will take a top line to draw the sketch. So we will use the center plane of the same. Yes, I mean the center orientation. So we'll have the reference again as 8. Will not change that actually. So yeah, again as same before, like 75 we will try. And now we will make some distance so that we will follow same for all. So 150, or probably a 200 we will maintain. Yes, that makes a little different looks. Yeah, now from the top line we are gonna create yeah, 125 will be a decent size, and then again 25 we will make. Yes, 25. Yeah, that makes sense, like to create another profile. So this is going to be ulta again at 25. So yes, yeah, slightly bigger actually. Yeah, that's how it looks. And if you make a certain distance, like I think 130 we will make, or yeah, 130 should be fine. Yes, so we'll hide for time being, and then we'll go with this, and we'll create a profile. Yes, yep. And now the dimension could be we'll make, yeah, 120. That should be enough size to create some distance. Like, so again from there we will create a small difference. Like now I'm gonna create a profile such it looks. Yes, so this time I will take this as a reference. Yes, and we'll create 100. Yep, or maybe 105. That makes little, yeah, okay. Now again I will a little change in the top, almost like, on the top side. I mean this profile. Yes, again I would like to have some value to create this profile. Yes, this we will make straight, and we'll have somewhere around 60. Okay, maybe 70 should be fine, or yeah, whatever we have in the bottom, that we will be continue with that profile same. Yes, perfect. This looks like little yeah, we will make 100. Yes, now it looks good. Yep. So now the challenge here we are going to do is, like, first we will create a profile from base to create kind of a loft, so there won't much changes. Yes, so now the challenge here is we have to create a surface, to create a parametric, or I can say a geometry model. Yes, so for that I'm gonna create a 3D points I would like to have here, and this will be done. So then I will be using this profile to create a, yeah, maybe, yeah, that can be done later. So at this point, and I will go with the surface loft, and this point, and this is how I want. And and I would like to have another 3D sketch point, and I would like to have here. So I will select OK, and then now I will go with the loft again. I will go for a selection manager. I would like to have a single entity, and I'm gonna select OK, and this is my point where I would like to have. Yes, perfect. So as you know, we have created. So this is how we used to create a parametric, I mean a geometry model. So now what I'm going to do here is, like, similarly what I will do is, like, I will just create another 3D profile where I would have here, and I'm going to select OK. So this time I'm going to do the same, like, I'm going to select this edge. Okay, not the, I mean, yeah, probably I will hide for time being, and I will use the same profile of the previous loft. And the point here is, sorry, delete. You can use from here. Yes, done. Yes, perfect. Yeah, almost yeah, that we can change actually, like, yeah, this looks quite decent. Now again I need one more 3D point where I would like to have here. I'm going to select, maybe you can use the same point, so what where we have this, so I think it's not required, we can make use of the same profile where we were using this, yes, and surface loft. And now I'm gonna select a selection manager, in that this is entity which I would like to have in the loft selection profile, and select OK. So now we are done. So we'll take one sketch, or probably, yeah, we will show this, and we will select this point and surface to create an axis. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, now we will go with a circular pattern. Select the axis, go with a body which you would like to have surface, yes, with 8 numbers, and everything is done now. Perfect. So let me hide this for now, and also the sketch which I would like not to visible for now. Oh, sorry. Oops. Probably I would like to hide, but I don't know. Yes. Yeah, now we'll go with again surface, need surface. You select all the surfaces and make an entity of that. I got merged. Now it's time to fill the surface. So yeah, as I told before, like, yeah, only the loft and sketch we are going to use, but in this case we are, touch upping upon all the surface features, like a fill, and the loft of the surface. So yeah, this is how it looks. I will try to patch all the bodies, so that in the bottom I have the, similarly I'm going to do in the top as well. But before, if I do knit and match, what happens is, like when I try, I'm going to try with the surface fill, it automatically detect, and it will help us to create a complete solid body. That's what's my prediction. But let's see, like, if it's enabled, the option is enabled, we will create that. Yeah, yes, create solid, great. So and now we will enable this option. Yeah, perfect. So our this medium profile is ready. So we are going to merge these two body now. Yes, perfect. So now after doing M, we are going to try with L now. So L is again a simple, like, only 3 profile. Here we have 4, but in L we do have only I can say 2 profile, like, by having a height of around, yeah, let's see, let's give a try with that, and then probably we can fix the height. Yes, as mentioned before, again we'll go with, oh sorry, we will make as usual a straight profile. Yes, this could be our straight, and from the center we'll make 200. Yes, this height could be 60, as all we were meeting the same, that's ideal dimension we would like to follow. Yeah, 75. Okay, then we'll go with 75, so that 75. Yeah, perfect. And now I'm gonna create a plane by help of this top line. So what we will do is, like, we will create another offset from 150. I think we'll increase slightly. Yes, 200 should be fine, and then later we can add another 20 mm. Yes, another 20 so that it will be 250. That's what my idea. Maybe yeah, another 30 looks, or 50 makes it a little more good actually. Yes, else we will try to reduce slightly this, maybe 220. Yes, okay, fine. This is our largest size. So now we are going to create the same kind of way how we created. We are not going to change anything over here, or like, so only thing is like 125. Yes, so I will just go with a loft and done with this profile. So just wait, okay, I think you can bring it this here, select okay. So here if we go, I have a different approach where I would like to have at the center. Yes, this time we'll try to make it at the mid. Perfect. So now I will gonna select OK. So yeah, 3D sketch, I mean with the 3D and point, I would like to have it here and select OK. So from here to here your connection, and similarly we will gonna do the 3D point with this point. I like to have it at this point. Okay, so now surface, so go with this selection and the point. Oh, yep, and make this point a loft again, and I'm going to selection manager, I'm going to select this entity, I'm going to select OK. So now I think it's ready. So okay, maybe together we can do yes. So I would like to have this point and the surface, I would like to have this axis here. So now we have circular pattern to take this all bodies to bodies. Yeah, fine. It has more openings, but also can be done in a different way, like we can string that more, as I said before. Like we do have an option, not at all required actually, like just you can just delete and delete with this and go with the concentric of this, and you can still go with this lesser value, like as I said 50 also could be fine, but yeah, I would like to have at least some 65 or 70 makes sense. Yeah, this looks something different when compared with all other models. So yeah, this is how we can do that. So, and we can hide the sketches. Sorry guys. Now what I would like to have here is, like, I'm gonna net the surface of all as usual and mesh. Yes, now this time I will gonna use the copy surface, I mean the same which I would like to have in the bottom as 0. So I would not like to have it. So an alternate option what I thought of showing before, but you can have a look, like many options are there to fill, so that's a reason. Yeah, yes, create solid, if possible it could be aggressive solid. Yes, now the option is very clear for us. So okay, now we go for here and combine these two bodies. Okay, I think because of this, got it. Then I will hide and net subtract this, I mean add this body and create a solid bodies. So go with this, and direct editing, combine. I will request, if you are feeling time consuming for my video, I will request you to go with the 1.25 or 1.5 speed, so that it will be easy. Some people are new to SolidWorks, so they want to understand each and every process, so they will go with the normal speed. If you are expert, like, you can just go with the. So the other one is like the most awaiting size of Excel. So yeah, last small, medium, large we did, and we would like to have now the Excel size, I mean the extra large, which will make another difference in the size. So I will take from here at the center. I would like to have 200, and this is my profiles, right? And I will have again a 75 at the bottom, but definitely will be having a different values. So from the bottom, I will go with the 25, or what do you suggest, like we'll go with 30. Yes, and now from there we'll go with 150 or more than that. Yes, 200 should be fine. 200, or yeah, 150, or maybe 190 at the same length. From there again we are going to create another 50 mm. Almost mismatching. 100. Yes, there could be a slight difference. It's not going to be a major, but there will be a slight changes which is going to happen over here, like only the some twist which we are planning to make. It's not that big, but slightly compared to large, it will be like slight difference which we are planning to create. So yeah, so here if you see overall the biggest the length we are going to give here is around 160 will give, or 150 makes sense, right? Yeah, 150 makes sense, and select OK. So the same way I will go with sorry guys, somewhere around 90. Yes, and then straight. And the small difference I would like to do here is, yes, a small value which I would like to have 70. Yes, or maybe less than that, 65. Yes, okay, perfect. I will take this as a reference, and okay, select done. Done. Our profile is ready now. I will just hide the planes. So now we'll go with a simple loft from this profile to this profile, and yes, you can just have a twist as well, like if at all, if you want, we can just have a twist. And now again, one more loft from the surface to this. Yes, perfect. Now the change here which we are going to do here is like from this profile to this profile. So that's what I thought of doing it. So for that I'm going to create a 3D point, and also would like to have it at this edge. Yes, but let's see, like will it consider as a single boundary? Okay, that's cool. So now again we'll select this point, I mean this point has to be shown, and I will select this point. Yes, and now I will go to selection manager and select this point now. Okay, and I'm going to select OK. Yeah, perfect. So now I need some sketch to create some access. Yeah, so I will go with again a circular pattern by having this body, this too. Yes, perfect. Looks good, right? Okay, so surface, net, select all, good to go. Mesh, and again select this, offset 0, and better will kit with this. Yes, perfect. So again we are saving another one set of a step now. Yeah, here and there, if once you start working with that, you will be having a multiple ideas. So ultimately at the end you have to reduce the number of steps and create such a new profile, a creative profile how you want. So now I'm going to create a fill options to fill the top. So this is completely a marble design where from this product you can just go with I mean I can go with a tool where you want to create the marble outer profile. So again, tooling is a different modeling will show definitely in the future. So now we'll go with add. Yeah, I will hide all the sketches. Now we are done with I can say white, yes, and also I will apply some material and see like how it looks. So we'll go with APS. Oh, sorry, it's completely clear. So some material we will try to apply. Some plastic material will go APS, apply close, and have some realistic values. Yes. So guys, I also suggest, like, if you are looking for a thickness, so go with some minimal of 3 mm or 4 mm, however you want as per your requirement. So try to do with all shells. Yes, that's how it looks actually once you start doing the shells. Oh, sorry, shell, and yes, I think hope you like this video. This is how I used to do, and you can also create a configuration, small, large, and Excel. So based on that you can modify your size, all these things you can do it. So and you can also add a fillets to create such profile. So I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and support, keep supporting for such kind of videos. And also you can comment in the comment section, like your feedback, or if you are looking for something else, you just let me know. uh, so until then, bye from Shapeit. See you in the next video with an interesting topic. Thank you. Bye bye.